time you water it, it feeds it as well.
Yeah.
So, still standing.
Yeah.
It's untouched.
Shoot you, Libby.
Well, not really, because you can't bring it. Oh, that's Lilo.
Lilo?
Portuguese water dog. Yeah, but you know,
Quite a tail.
she doesn't like it.
People are angry, and they will, if people want to direct that at me, or that is up to them. It's not something that will distract me. It is something that I will empathise with. It is something that I understand. It's not something for me to take personally. My job is to stay focused on ensuring that we have the maximum coordination of effort across many states. People are frustrated. People have suffered great loss. They're feeling very raw, particularly where I was yesterday, and that's the case in many parts of the country. And so I understand how people are feeling.